Gates open, they're up and racing. Tarlac draws for your lead, moving up in between the runners is Walk the Talk. Unequaled, moving up on the outside, Asikuda, then running by the rail, Lucky Lorque, then running on the outside, Stormtrooper, Headline Chaser, second last, and Flying Hope is running at the tail of the field as they round a 3/4 mile distance. Tarlac leading the field by a length. Running on the outside as Sikuda, then racing in third is Walk the Talk. Unequaled is Stormtrooper, moving up in between runners. Headline Chaser, then comes number 1 Lucky Lorque, and Flying Hope still in behind them. About to pass the last 800. Tarlac still leading the field. Asikuda remains in second, and running in third, Unequaled, running in fourth by the rail. Headline Chaser, Walk the Talk as they race to the last 600. Tarlac still leading the field, moving up now on the outside is Unequaled to take the lead. Asikuda racing in third, closing in Walk the Talk by the rail is Headline Chaser as they turn for home. Unequaled now leading the field. Tarlac remains in second, and by the rail moving up Headline Chaser with the last 200 meters more to run. Unequaled still leading the field. Moving up is Headline Chaser. Unequaled, Headline Chaser is by the rail. Tarlac is on the outside with 50 meters. It's going to be Unequaled. Tarlac, Headline Chaser, Walk the Talk, Asikuda for your pentapecta.
Okay, crossing the wire first, medyo na